Hey tech lovers! Welcome back to All Things Electronics, where we make smart gadget decisions simple. If you've been thinking about trying an air fryer but feel overwhelmed by all the buttons, timers, and tech terms, don't worry. Today's video is made just for beginners. You might be a student, a busy parent, or just someone who wants to cook healthier meals without the hassle. In this video, we're going to look at air fryers that are super beginner friendly. Think one-touch controls, preset functions, auto shutoff, and easy-to-clean baskets. These are the models that don't make you think twice. You plug them in, press a button, and in minutes your fries or chicken are done. Let's break it down in a way that's easy, clear, and helpful, and yes, everything we mention is available online if you want to check them out for yourself. The first beginner-friendly model is the NinjaAirFryer. This model is loved for its simple dial and digital display. It comes with 4 cooking presets: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. There's no guessing involved, you select the preset, and it handles the rest. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, which beginners love. It has a temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough for most meals. What makes the NinjaAirFryer beginner-friendly is its reliability. It doesn't overcomplicate things. It just works. Users say it's easy from day one and that it cooks evenly without burning. The only downside? It's a bit small for big families, just for quarts. But for singles, couples, or small spaces, it's perfect. Next is the COSORI Lite 4.0 QT Smart Air Fryer, and this one is perfect for anyone who loves minimal effort. With 7 pre-programmed cooking settings, you can literally press one button for chicken, veggies, fries, or even desserts. It also includes auto shutoff, overheat protection, and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. Beginners love how sleek and quiet it is. The touchscreen is super responsive and easy to understand. One tap and you're cooking. Reviewers say this is one of the most user-friendly air fryers on Amazon, especially for people who are just learning to cook. Some mention that it's a bit small for large meals, but it's ideal if you're starting out and don't want to be overwhelmed. Let's talk about the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 air fryer. This one is made by the same company that created Instant Pot. It's got one-touch smart programs for air frying, baking, roasting, and reheating. It also preheats really fast and reminds you when to shake the basket, which is great for beginners who don't want to burn their food. It has a 6-quart capacity, so it's perfect for small families. Users say they love how crispy it makes fries and wings, and how simple it is to clean. The touch panel is very intuitive. It also features built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto shutoff. One small con: the exterior can get a little warm, so be cautious. But overall, it's highly recommended for new cooks who want speed and simplicity. Another awesome beginner air fryer is the Chefman TurboFry Touch. This one comes with 4 presets and a digital touchscreen, all in a sleek compact body. It's super lightweight, easy to clean, and has an adjustable temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also one of the most budget-friendly models that doesn't feel cheap. The basket is large enough for 2 to 4 servings, and it comes with a cool touch exterior, which makes it very safe. Customers say it's no fuss, great for first-time users, and works right out of the box. One thing to note: the presets are basic, so it's not as feature-rich as some others, but that's also what makes it simple. Finally, if you're looking for a dual basket option that's still easy for beginners, check out the Ninja Foodi DualZone 2 basket air fryer. This one lets you cook 2 different foods at 2 different temps at the same time. It has 6 smart cooking programs and something called Smart Finish, which finishes both baskets together even if the cooking times are different. For beginners, that's a huge win. You can make veggies in one and chicken in the other, no guesswork. It's bigger and a little more expensive, but users say the convenience and quality are unmatched. The downside? It takes up more counter space. But if you're cooking for more than one and want variety, this is an amazing pick. Air fryers can be intimidating if you're just starting out, but all 5 of these models are beginner approved, super simple, and available online. Whether you want something basic like the NinjaAirFryer or smart controlled like the COSORI Lite, there's something on this list that's going to make your life easier. Start small, try your favorite meals, and just enjoy the process. Thanks for watching All Things Electronics. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and check the description for affiliate links to each of these models. You'll be cooking like a pro in no time. See you in the next one.